What are microgreens? Microgreens are the seedlings of vegetables and herbs. Once the seed of an herb or vegetable begins to grow, it is considered a sprout. Once the sprout begins to grow, the baby plant is considered a microgreen. Sprouts and microgreens are not one and the same. Sprouts are usually grown in water and harvested within 2 to 3 days, while microgreens are grown in soil, require sunlight, and are harvested after January 3rd weeks of growing time, when they are about 2 inches tall. Baby greens are grown for longer periods and are usually around 3 to 4 inches tall when they are harvested. The flavor of microgreens depends on the plant they comes from. It can range from mild to tangy, spicy, or peppery. Microgreens can be grown from any herb or vegetable. Some of the most popularly consumed microgreens include cilantro, amaranth, arugula, radish, basil, beets, broccoli, kale. Nutritional content. Scientific data on the nutritional content of microgreens is limited, but research has shown that microgreens do contain a higher concentration of many nutrients when compared with the mature, fully grown vegetables or herbs. The micronutrients contained in microgreens differ widely depending on type. Researchers at the Department of Nutrition and Food Science at the University of Maryland studied a total of 25 microgreens. The following microgreens had the highest concentrations of 4 different vitamins and carotenoids: red cabbage, green daikon radish, cilantro, garnet amaranth. For example, red cabbage microgreens are rich in vitamin C, but low in vitamin E. Green daikon radish microgreens were rich in vitamin E but low in lutein when compared to the cabbage, cilantro, and amaranth. Possible health benefits. Studies suggest that microgreens may contain high concentrations of nutrients compared with mature vegetables and herbs. Due to their high antioxidant content, microgreens are considered a functional food, a food that promotes health or prevents disease. Consuming plant-based foods of all kinds has been linked to a reduced risk of many health conditions, such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Plant-based foods also support a healthy complexion, increased energy, lower weight, and longer life expectancy. Further research about using microgreens to treat or prevent specific diseases is not yet available. Many people are not getting the recommended amount of vegetables and fruits per day for many reasons, including access, cost, convenience, and taste preference. Microgreens can easily be grown at home in a small space with little cost and provide a huge return in terms of nutrients. How to grow microgreens? Microgreens are relatively easy to grow on a small scale and can even thrive indoors if sunlight is available. People wishing to grow their own microgreens can follow these steps to do so. Scatter seeds over an inch of potting soil in a planter dish or tray and cover with another thin layer of soil. Mist the soil with water and place near a source of sunlight or a grow light. Continue to mist the seeds daily to keep the soil moist. The microgreens will be ready to harvest in 2 to 3 weeks. People should make sure to cut their greens above the soil line and rinse well before using. Tips to incorporate more microgreens into a diet. Microgreens can boost color, enhance flavor, and add texture to any dish, while delivering a nutritional boost as well. Some tips for adding microgreens into meals include using them as a topping for salads and soups, tossing a small handful into a smoothie or juice before blending, using them as a garnish alongside any main dish, placing microgreens on top of a flatbread or pizza after cooking, adding microgreens into an omelette or frittata, replacing lettuce with microgreens on a burger, sandwich, or tacos. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.